Today is an exciting day because we get to do another unboxing. And I think you guys already know what's in here. I think I've mentioned it before, but if you don't know, it's an ergonomic chair. Now, in my office, I have not used a chair in quite some time. I typically use this ergonomic stool from Autonomous, and I've been using this ever since I've moved into this space. I was sent over this chair for review, so we will do just that. Not sure the exact manufacturer of this chair, but I will link to it. That way you can check it all out, and if you're interested in the chair, you can just click on it and jump on over to Amazon and check it out. But this is an ergonomic chair. In a previous video, I went through my ergonomic setup, my desk, the stool, the standing mat, and those things. So definitely excited to finally get a chair where I can sit back and relax, especially when I'm editing videos or watching videos or just working and I don't necessarily feel like standing. I can more so relax in this chair. So we're literally going to unbox this. I have not looked inside the box at all. All I know is this is the chair. I hope it's the chair. It better be the chair. So let's take this thing apart and get started. We're gonna put this thing together here right now. All right, from start to finish. For the chair here, so we can kind of see the screws, how many screws each, and we have different components here, all nicely individually wrapped. And we also have a little, oh, that's nice, we have a card in here. Okay, got a nice card in here right there. Thank you very much for supporting us, and may God bless. Congratulations on getting a 1-year warranty extension, and we will have a mysterious gift for you. Please scan the QR code to contact us. Cool. So we'll probably scan this QR code once we get done. So we got the QR code, got this little 3D ship that's inside of here. So that's pretty cool. Got this little 3D ship. Let's get some more stuff out of here. Looks like we have another armrest. All of our screws and everything are in here. Got some bigger pieces in here. The base of it is in here, and the up down lever is right here. Our chair itself is here. Our chair. Alright, so there's the chair. Pretty simple. One solid piece. This looks like a pretty simple setup. And that is it. Box is now empty. So we have our buttons on the side that allow us to raise these up. So click it in, pull it up. I think it needs to be broken in. Oh, lumbar support here, look at that. So I can lean back on it. So on the side here, we can raise this up. Raise up, and lower it, raise it up, lower it in there. So I like this. You can see the shock absorbers in here as well. Go back and forth. So this actually locked it into place, so you can lock it depending on how far you want to go back, I think. So let's pull that out. Okay. So if you pull this out, you can go all the way back. If you push this in, it will lock it. Our little lever down here, if we pull it out, it lets us lean back. If you push it in, it locks it into place. Then we can go up, and then we can go down. And we got the whole 360 action going on. So, brand new chair for the office. I don't know if I want to set it on this side or set it on this side. We'll have to see. But this is the new Ergonomic chair. Check it out in the link description below. As you can see, pretty easy to put together. Let's do our QR code. Let's see what the warranty looks like though. Let's finish off with that. So we had our card, remember earlier, and inside of our card we had our thank you Amazon thank you note, and it said claim our gift using our QR code. So I'm going to grab my phone and I'm going to go into my camera app. I'm going to highlight the QR code and open in Safari, and it says congratulations, attaching a screenshot of your review on the product page. Then okay, so I have to leave a review on the product page too. So alright, a little bit more extra work, but we'll do that a little bit later. But at the end of the day, new chair, feels comfy, nice and soft, cloth base, and the arms go up and down. And it needs a little practice with that. But outside of that, we're good to go. Nice, comfortable, and I think I'm gonna pull this out too. Alright, that's it for this video. I'll see y'all in the next one.